Eyes on Burnbot. He's on the move. Over.
Thanks, Tails. Initiate speeding swing surprise.
Sonic?
Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I'm great. Ready to get back in action.
Yeah, about that. I've got some great news. You, my friend, are taking early retirement.
Early retirement?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to play lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some. Trust me, it's for the best. I'll see you around, pal.
Wait, what just happened?
I fired you.
Okay, just checking.
Okay. Last question. What would you do in a no-win situation?
If I'm with you, there's no such thing as a no-win situation.
Huh. You really get it, new guy.
I do get it, but I'm not a new guy. In reality, I am none other than...
Tails? You cannot be my sidekick.
All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. I'm a lock. Unless there's something you're not telling me.
Fine, but get ready for the tryout of your life.
Hello?
Eggman!
What are you doing here? What's going on here?
Nothing I can't handle. Give up, Eggman. This job is rightfully mine.
I'm not here to be Sonic's sidekick, you nincompoop! I'm here to get rid of you both once and for all!
Tails!
Sonic, I'm stuck!
Tails, I didn't really want to fire you. I was just trying to protect you.
How? By putting me in more danger?
The plan had holes! I can't swim.
You're waterlogged! I can't lift you!
Don't worry about me. Get out of here.
That's not how sidekicks do! About this job. What are the hours like?
Well, it's 7 days a week, but you get your own plane.